In this video, we are going to show you how to set up MSY VPN with the UDP settings. So all you need to do is go to your mobile device and go to the Play Store or App Store. For this video, we are using a Samsung phone because that's what I have. And here you want to tap on search on the bottom of your screen like so. And on the search bar up top, you just want to tap MSY VPN. And it's going to be the one with the orange icon. It says MSY VPN Custom. So as you can see here, it's this one. You can either do it with that or Lite too, but for this video, we're just going to go with a custom version. So tap on that and tap on install. It's going to be fast because it's pretty small. It's like 28 MB. As you can see, it's already installing. So let's wait for it to install so we can open it. All right. So now that it is finished installing, we want to open it like so. There you go. And as you can see, it is in Spanish, and it's going to ask if you can allow it to have notifications. So for this example, we're just going to tap on allow. And this pop-up will appear. Just click on cerrar, like so. And this is going to appear and says, again, this is on Spanish. We're just going to tap on consentir, like so. And here, this is where we want to be. So to open up MSY VPN with UDP, all we need to do is go select a server that specifically lists UDP or UDP fast. So how do we do that? As you can see under disconnected, it says US. So we need to tap that so we can transfer to a UDP or UDP fast IP. All right, so once we are here, as you can see here, this says UDP Hysteria or other options. So V2 Ray, we just want to tap on the ones with UDP and just choose the ones that you want to go to. For example, this one is fine. And as you can see, we already have that available. There you go. And just tap on connect and it's going to connect us to this VPN. So as you can see, that is how it's done. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.